Hello, everyone, and welcome to this special episode of our podcast. I'm Zazie, and I'm thrilled to have you with me today. In this episode, we will talk about one of the most important skills in language learning: writing. Writing is not just about grammar and vocabulary. It is about expressing your thoughts, creating stories, and improving your language step by step. Many learners feel confident reading or listening, but struggle when it comes to writing. Sometimes you know many words, but when you sit down to write, nothing comes out. Sometimes grammar mistakes make you nervous and you stop. Don't worry. Writing is a skill that develops over time, with practice and patience. In today's podcast, we will explore how to practice writing every day, creative exercises for writing, real stories from writers and language learners, grammar and sentence building techniques, tips to stay motivated and consistent. Part 1. Why writing matters. Writing is more than putting words on paper. It helps you 1. Organize your thoughts. 2. Remember new vocabulary. 3. Improve grammar. 4. Communicate clearly. Even if your goal is speaking, writing helps a lot. Writing slows your thoughts down, so you choose the right words. It trains your brain to think in English and makes speaking easier. The key to improving writing is consistency. Here are some daily exercises. First, journal or diary. Write about your day. Even one paragraph is enough. Example: I woke up at 7 a.m. I had breakfast and went for a walk. The weather was sunny and warm. I felt happy because I met my friend in the park. 2. Short stories. Write about your favorite memory or an imaginary story. Even a single paragraph is valuable practice. 3. Descriptions. Pick an object, a place, or a person and describe it in detail. Example: my favorite place is the beach. The sand is soft and warm. I can hear the waves and feel the sea breeze on my face. 4. Letters or emails. Write a short letter or email, even if you don't send it. This helps you organize sentences and learn practical expressions. 5. Vocabulary challenges. Pick 5 to 10 new words each day and write sentences using them. This strengthens your memory and grammar. Part 3. Creative writing exercises. Creativity makes writing more enjoyable and effective. Story cubes. Pick 3 random words and create a short story connecting them. Picture prompt. Look at a photo or painting and write a paragraph describing it. Dialogue writing. Imagine a conversation between 2 characters. Write it down with sentences like, "Hello, how are you?" "I'm fine, thank you. And you?" These exercises improve imagination, vocabulary, and sentence variety. This is tips for grammar and sentence. Here are practical tips. First of all, focus on one grammar point at a time, and future tense the next week. Use simple sentences first. It's better to write I went to the park. I saw my friend. We played football. Then to write a very long sentence with mistakes. Combine sentences gradually. Once simple sentences feel easy, try I went to the park and saw my friend. We played football together in the afternoon. 4. Check your writing. Always review your text for grammar mistakes. Tools like dictionaries, grammar apps, or asking a friend can help. Part 5. Real stories and inspiration. Let's look at some inspiring examples. J.K. Rowling. Before writing Harry Potter, she struggled with many drafts and rejections. She made mistakes, but kept writing every day. George Orwell. He wrote essays and notes daily, improving his style gradually. Language learners. Many students start with 1 paragraph a day. Months later, they can write long emails or stories. These stories show that success in writing comes from persistence, creativity, and courage to make mistakes. Part 6. Note-taking for writing. Taking notes is an essential tool for writing. Use bullet points for main ideas. Write key words instead of full sentences. Highlight new vocabulary or expressions. Keep a notebook or digital file for ideas. Example: to write about my weekend, you can take notes like Saturday, park, friends, football. Sunday, family, breakfast, movie. Then write, on Saturday, I went to the park with my friends. We played football and had fun. On Sunday, I had breakfast with my family and watched a movie together. Notes make writing faster and organized. Part 7. Motivation and consistency. Writing improves only if you practice regularly. Write every day, even 10 minutes. Celebrate small successes. Enjoy the process. Write about topics you love. Review old texts to see your progress. Remember, even professional writers make mistakes. The difference is they continue writing every day. Part 8. Vocabulary for writing. Here are some useful words. 1. Draft. The first version of a text. 2. Edit. To correct and improve writing. 3. Paragraph. A group of sentences about one idea. 4. Sentence structure. The way words are organized in a sentence. 5. Creativity. Using imagination to make writing interesting. Part 9. Reflection exercise. Let's do a short exercise. Topic: a memorable day. Step 1. Take notes. Morning, breakfast, walk. Afternoon, friend, park. Evening, dinner, movie. Step 2. Write a paragraph. Today was a memorable day. In the morning, I had breakfast and went for a walk. In the afternoon, I met my friend and we went to the park. In the evening, I had dinner and watched a movie. I felt happy all day. This shows how notes help you organize ideas, and write clearly. Conclusion. Today we explored writing skills in depth. We learned daily writing exercises, diary, stories, descriptions, letters, creative exercises for imagination and practice, grammar tips and sentence building, note-taking strategies, motivation and consistency, stories of famous writers and learners for inspiration. Remember, writing is a journey. Every word you write improves your language, your thoughts, and your confidence. Keep writing every day. Make it enjoyable and celebrate every small achievement. Thank you for listening. I hope you feel inspired to write creatively and consistently. See you in the next episode.